Hey guys, Mr. Mini Painter here, and I'm about to unbox this Harry Potter miniature adventure games by Night Models, Wizarding Duels, The Magical Masters. Look at them. On this box we have, of course, Hagrid. I really like this model. Look at him, big hairy man. We've got Sirius Black. I love the pose on this one. And of course, the ever so graceful Minerva Mcgonagall. Albus Dumbledore. Look at this heroic pose he has. Pomona Sprout. Holding one of those, what are they called? The plants. The screaming ones. I've forgotten their names. We have Mr. Slughorn, Horace Slughorn. Alastor Moody. I love the eye on him. Will be a lot of fun to paint. Tiny Mr. Flitwick, and of course the regent Dolores Umbridge, and crazy as ever Sybill Trelawney. We can't call them crazy, right? They have the sight. They're fully assembled, ready to paint. I like that. And let's open it up. I've got my knife here. There we go. Let's rip off this plastic and take a look. Look at them. There we go. Okay. As always, Night Models has this very nice box with all the shape cutouts of the figures. Cards, so they fit very nicely, which is of course important with transport, isn't it? Well, first off we have the cards. Mr. Slughorn would be the first one. I can't wait to play this. Oh, look at that big one, I love this one. Mr. Hagrid. Let's take a closer look. Wow. Look at the details on this one. The face, the eyes, the beard. Very beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the fact that they put on the tile pattern on the bottom, which makes the model so much more interesting. Mr. Moody. They're so incredibly tiny. I mean, everybody who regularly paints miniatures knows how difficult it is to get those details right. But when you're painting a miniature this size, I mean, it's the size of the top of my thumb. I already painted the old Harry Potter models. Also, Mr. Flitwick here. I love the challenge of putting some details on those tiny models. They're so well crafted. Miss McGonagall, the hat crooked on her head. I like this. I like it very much. And of course, the man himself, Mr. Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Oh, look at her globe. This is going to be a lot of fun to paint. And Miss Pomona. I still can't remember the name of the plants. It'll come to me. Over here we have Miss Dolores. Miss Pretty in Pink. With the, what was it, the declarations or? And of course, Mr. Black, Sirius Black. Looking very nice. Can't wait to play him. Can't wait to paint him. And can't wait to show you the results.